Akansha Bhalla, one of the most influential and the most pretty lady that I've seen so far. So she is the Miss Youth icon of from Rajasthan. Again, representing. She's an actress and model. And I would really like to know, ma'am, how's your journey so far?
It has been really special. I'm into this industry since last 10 years with modeling and acting both. So I believe that my journey was beautiful and I have experienced a lot. Training new girls, giving them the inspiration, and they get to learn anything from me. So I feel absolutely proud that I am a part of this industry, and whatever I contribute is really, really special to me.
Sure. And other than that, I would really like to know how you started. What inspired you to be a model and an actress? Because nowadays, like being in modeling, it's not just about like walking the ramp show. It's about holding a personality. Women I've seen at international levels, even at the national levels, they hold a meaning. They hold a subtle, vision behind. Like they want to represent something. So, what was your vision, ma'am? I'd really like to know.
Well, I believe since childhood, I wanted to become model only because. In my childhood days, I used to when people used to watch cartoon kids. So that time I used to watch fashion TV, Ramp Walk. So I believe from that I took it in me, and then yes. And later I pursued it as my career, and I am really, really happy. I am very much satisfied. I believe that this was the only thing which was meant for me. I am a BCA and MCA qualified person, but still modeling was something which attracted me the most. Yeah. Huh? Even I started my journey from Elite Miss Rajasthan, the best beauty pageant of Rajasthan, and now I'm here. I train those girls also. And it's been 10 years since I'm a part of Elite Miss Rajasthan. So every year I train those girls from the small towns of Rajasthan all over. So I feel absolutely delighted.
And I would really like to say that you're truly inspiring. The way you speak, the way you
I try to.
You're like, it's working, ma'am. It's absolutely working.
Thank
you're
you
doing
so
the
much.
wonderful job. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you
so
so
much.